Hey everyone, welcome back to Startup Sparks. I'm Taha, and today we're talking about something every entrepreneur needs to master: money. Tips for entrepreneurs. Build wealth today. Building wealth as an entrepreneur isn't just about making money. It's about managing it wisely and using it to grow your business and secure your future. In this quick 5-minute guide, I'll share practical tips to help you manage your finances, maximize profits, and set yourself up for long-term success. Let's dive in. 1. Separate personal and business finances. The first tip is to separate your personal and business finances. This might sound basic, but it's a game changer. Open a dedicated business bank account and get a separate credit card for business expenses. This helps you track income and expenses more effectively and makes tax time a lot easier. It also ensures you're not accidentally dipping into your personal funds for business costs, a mistake that can lead to financial chaos. 2. Focus on cash flow. Tip number 2. Always prioritize cash flow. Profit is important, but cash flow keeps your business alive. Keep a close eye on how money moves in and out of your business. Tools like QuickBooks or Wave can help you monitor cash flow and plan for expenses. Also, try to negotiate better payment terms with suppliers or offer discounts for early payments from clients. Positive cash flow gives you the flexibility to reinvest and grow. 3. Invest in growth wisely. The third tip is to invest in growth wisely. As your business starts making money, it's tempting to spend it all on flashy upgrades. Instead, focus on areas that directly impact growth. For example, invest in marketing strategies that generate leads, tools that improve efficiency, or training for your team. Every dollar should serve a purpose, either increasing revenue or saving time. Think of it as planting seeds for a bigger harvest. 4. Diversify your income streams. Finally, diversify your income streams. Don't rely on just one source of revenue. For example, if you run an e-commerce store, consider adding subscription services or creating digital products like guides or templates. If you're a consultant, explore passive income opportunities like online courses or affiliate marketing. Diversifying your income not only boosts your wealth, but also provides stability during uncertain times. Let's recap the 4 money tips for entrepreneurs. 1. Separate your personal and business finances. 2. Prioritize cash flow management. 3. Invest in growth wisely. 4. Diversify your income streams. Remember, building wealth is a journey. These tips will help you manage your money smarter and build a solid foundation for success. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Startup Sparks, and share your favorite money tip in the comments below. Let's grow your wealth together.